Hello everyone, welcome back to Geeker. If you are trying to download Roblox on your Windows PC, you've probably noticed there are a few different ways to install it. You can download Roblox directly from the official Roblox website, or you may have seen tutorials where you simply open any game on roblox.com and the installer automatically downloads to your PC. Both of those methods work perfectly fine. However, if you are installing Roblox for the first time, it can sometimes be a little confusing to know which download option to use or what you should check before running an installer. So in this video, I am going to show you another simple way to download and install Roblox on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Before we install it, I'll also show you a few things I personally like to check before downloading any software. These only take a minute, but they are good habits that can help you better understand what you're installing. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type softonic.com and press enter. Once you're on the Softonic homepage, click the search box, type Roblox and click search icon. From the search results, simply open the Roblox page. If you'd like to save a little time, I've also added the direct Roblox page on Softonic in the description below, so you can open it directly instead. This is the page we'll be using throughout today's tutorial. Before I download any software, I like spending a few seconds reviewing the information that's available on the download page. It's a simple habit that can help you understand exactly what you're installing. Right at the top of the page, you can see some useful information about Roblox, including its current version, the user rating, and approximately how many times it has been downloaded through Softonic. You'll also notice the Trusted Program badge, which indicates the installer has gone through Softonic's review process. Now, before clicking download, let's quickly look at the tabs available here. The first tab is Information, where you'll find an overview of Roblox and what the application offers. Next is the older version, where you will find an earlier version of Roblox. You'll also find a Safety Scan tab, where you can view the safety information about the download link. Over on the right side of the page, you'll see the App Specs panel. Here you can quickly check information like the license, current version, latest update, and supported platform, which can help confirm you're downloading the correct application for your device. If you expand the version section, you'll also find access to older versions. In most situations, I recommend installing the latest version because it includes the newest features, performance improvements, and security updates. However, if a newer update ever introduces an unexpected issue on your system or you're troubleshooting a compatibility problem, having access to previous versions can be useful. Finally, before downloading any software, it's always worth knowing that if you ever notice something suspicious about a file or download, there's also a report this software option on the page. Using that option sends a report directly to the Softonic team, who review reported files or links, helping improve the experience for everyone. Everything looks good, so let's click the free download button. Depending on your browser and the current download flow, you may see an additional page or a promotional offer before the Roblox installer starts downloading. For example, you might see an advertisement for another application. If you're only here to download Roblox, simply select "No thanks, I will continue downloading Roblox" to continue with the Roblox download. On this page, you need to click on the free download button again, and this will redirect you to the officially Roblox website, and you will see the page various download option for different platforms. Simply click on the download button. After that, your browser should begin downloading the Roblox installer automatically. Once the download finishes, open the installer to begin the installation. If Windows displays a user account control message asking whether you want to allow this application to make changes to your device, simply click Yes. The Roblox installer will now begin downloading the files it needs and automatically install Roblox on your computer. The installation usually only takes a minute or two. Once everything has finished installing, Roblox should launch automatically. If it doesn't, simply open the Start menu, search for Roblox, and launch it manually. When Roblox opens for the first time, sign in using your Roblox account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account directly from the login screen. Once you're signed in, choose any experience you'd like to play. I'm just going to launch one quickly to make sure everything installed correctly. As you can see, Roblox loads successfully and everything is working exactly as expected. And that's how you can download and install Roblox on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. I hope this guide helped make the installation process a little easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Geeker Mag for more Windows tutorials, gaming guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.